Hi guys, today I will show you to make this beautiful wall decoration, paper wall decoration. So let's see what things we need for this. Glue, pencil, a scale and a tape when we need to stick it on the wall, and scissors. And you can take any colored sheet of your choice, orange, red, yellow, green, blue. So for this I am taking today blue. When I have this rectangular sheet, I'm just folding it with end to end like this. Just fold it nicely and fold it again twice. End to end. It should be like this. I have folded. It will come like this. And now I have to make points of lines of 1 centimeters. So this is the centimeter. As you can see on the scale, this is a centimeter. So 1 centimeter would be this, and 2 centimeters this. So at every gap of a centimeter, of 1 centimeter, we just need to put points, light points or light dots. It's up to you, because when I will show you why, because when I will put points here, I need to make straight lines. Now I know that this gap is of 1 centimeter. Now I can make a straight line. Here also the same thing, and we have to carry this, we have to do this till the end of this. From here to there, we have to follow this same thing. So I have already done this to show you today. So this, when we start doing this, it will come like this till the end. And the next step then is, with the help of scissors, I need to cut the lines. So how to cut the lines, it's very important. Like when I'm cutting, take any one line, take from any side, here or there, it's up to you. So when you are, suppose when you are starting from here, let's see. So we have to cut not through the end, just leave some space, like this much space over here, and just leave it. The cutting part should be till the top one and not through this. And take a gap of 1 line and take next line, skip 1 line and take the next line. Leave some space here and not cut through the end. Leave one line gap and take another line. Oh, sorry. So it should not be like this. I wanted to show you that it should not cut through the end. It should be like this. Just leave some space and just do like this. Leave 1 line and take another line. Just take a gap of 1, and so we have to do this till the end. So to show you, I have this for you. So when you are doing this cutting, it will come like this. As you can see, the whole thing is cut till the end with one line gap. It's like this. And the next thing, we just have to turn this. We have to do the same thing on the opposite side. The left sides, the left lines, we have to cut. That's it. And not cut through the end. Just leave some space, a little bit space. So here also just we have to follow the same thing till the end. Just cut and just leave some space. We are just cutting the left lines that we have. So only 2 or 3 are left. Now it's done. So it will, when I will open this, it will come like this. Now I will open it more properly, like this. Open the whole thing. First this and then this also. And now when you open, I'm opening this to show you. It will come like this. It's in layers and you can make as big as you want by gluing it. You can take two or three sheets and make in them and you can just glue. I will show you how to make it a bigger one. I have made this earlier to show you, and let's see. Now it's done. Just take 2 of them and stick with the glue line to line, the end line. Just glue them both. I'll show you. Now when I open this, just then this part will also come like this. Now it's a bigger one. When you do all this like this, it will be like this.
Just like on the wall.
Yes, just like on the wall. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel and like my videos as well. And subscribe to my husband's channel. His channel name is Rise Analytics. And to my son's channel, his channel's name is Sadik's World. Bye bye.